Let me say something most people don't want to admit. Development in Nigeria is destroying nature, not accidentally, not occasionally, but systematically. Every new road, every new farm, and every new building comes at a cost. And the truth is, we are not counting that cost. No national conversation, no real limits, no long-term thinking. But when habitats disappear, species disappear with them. So the real question is, are we building a future or erasing the foundation that supports it? Follow this closely and you will see the problem. Habitat destruction sounds technical, but it's not. Let's break it down. Forests cleared for farming, wetlands drained for construction, and grasslands converted for expansion. Simple decisions, yes, but with massive consequences. An animal doesn't need to be hunted to disappear. Destroy its home and it's gone anyway. This is already happening every day. Examples: forest cleared for agriculture expansion, urban sprawl consuming natural land, roads cutting through ecosystems, and wetlands replaced with buildings. But here's what most people miss. It's not one big event. It's thousands of small decisions. Individually, they look harmless. Collectively, they are devastating. Let's be clear. This is not anti-development. This is about how development is done. Number one, food security. When you destroy habitat, you damage ecosystems that support farming. So soil fertility drops and natural pest control disappears. Number two, flooding and disasters. Remove wetlands and forests. Water has nowhere to go. Therefore, we have increased flooding, erosion, and infrastructure damage. Number three, climate pressure. Natural systems regulate temperature and rainfall. You lose them, you have extremes increase. Number four, livelihoods. Communities depend on stable land systems. When those systems break, so do their incomes. This is not ignorance, it's incentives. The main drivers are rapid population growth, demand for land and housing, agricultural expansion without efficiency, weak land use planning, and poor enforcement. This leads to short-term expansion, but long-term instability. And the dangerous part, it looks like progress. You cannot destroy ecosystems and expect stability. It doesn't work like that. The land remembers. The consequences accumulate. More floods, lower yields, and rising costs. And by the time it becomes obvious, it's already expensive to fix. So this is the reality. We are expanding, but we are also eroding the systems that support that expansion. And if that continues, growth will turn into decline. Next, we confront another driver: overhunting and illegal wildlife trade. You can hit the follow button for more facts like this. See you on the next one. Bye for now.